Of this couch and get a drink of fed up with dough and I and wanna get intoxicated. My mind in the kind of state will remember the things I hated. I'm in. You with me? Of course. You on point? While you're fixing a drink, I'm gonna put you a joint. Get let me get it. It's time for you to spend. Hold on a minute. But I guess it's time for me to rock on. Then I drop bombs. Get my boot back, Stella, and tap off like a 360. I get a chica spinning on the floor. Get it, something on me. You don't wanna know more. I'm thinking of every maneuver that I'm planning tonight. Let's get down, hold my dick, holding the mic. You get it? Yeah, you know what it means, getting it on. Damn right, get a chica, get my shit, get gone. It's your birthday, we get naughty cause it's your birthday. We're gonna get it on tonight till the hurt say. Come on, give me your loving girl cause you can trust me. Plus you're my girl, you fly. And why, why would I pass you by? And even I'd ever let you go. I realize, girl, you ain't no ordinary hoe. Some say the hoes are like gold cars. They're so driven, but I'm like, who does it better? Mean to do it for a living, you agree? Took your rhythm, makes you, they gotta pay. Fuck that, ain't made of money, I just wanna get laid. I pay the feel like psycho, make my waist when I party. Ooh, like, lottie-dottie. Where the fuck is everybody? Over there. Where? Singing with the hands in the air. Better get down to it, and the party right here. Get a hip, how about a hop? We're taking it back, making the rap like we're back on the block. Not giving a fuck, except you get a moaning a lot. We get a rock party and now blowing the spot. We the first in, the last out. You know me, down for whatever. I'm OP, never lose. Play it cool, let the rhythm in control. Let the music run through my mind, body and soul.